guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. This is where I cook delicious vegan food, and if that is something that interests you, you should definitely subscribe because I am here sharing recipes with you guys every single week. But this week I have a recipe for you for a green goddess pasta, and this recipe was actually inspired by my green goddess bowl that I made back in the fall, which is kind of like a rice bowl with veggies and a veggie burger patty and a creamy kind of pesto-y flavored green sauce that goes over top, and it is so good. It was my favorite dinner to make this fall, so I wanted to kind of modify it and change it up a little bit to create a pasta recipe because you guys know I'm pretty obsessed with pasta. But that is everything I have to say for now. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and let's get into it. So you want to start off by filling a pot of water and putting it on high to boil for the pasta. Then you want to chop up one zucchini, and you can chop it into little quarter-sized pieces like this. Then you can also roughly chop your garlic and your onions. In a frying pan on medium heat, add a little bit of olive oil, and then you can add the onions, half of the zucchini, and half of the green peas. Then you can cook that for a few minutes until the onions become translucent, and then set that aside in a separate bowl. Return the frying pan back to the heat and add another little drizzle of oil, and then you can add in the garlic, the rest of the zucchini, and the rest of the green peas. Cook that again for just a couple minutes. Add the salt, dried basil, coconut milk, nutritional yeast, and lemon juice. And at this point, I like to add 2 cups of the spinach into the sauce and stir that around until it gets wilted. And then once it's wilted, just add it to a blender and blend until it is a nice, smooth, and creamy sauce. Then you can drain your pasta and return it back to the pot. And then also add in the vegetables that we set aside and the sauce. And then just cook that on a low heat until it thickens and everything combines, and then you are ready to serve. I like to serve mine with an extra little sprinkle of salt and pepper, and also some vegan Parmesan cheese. This pasta is so good. It's honestly one of my new favorite pasta recipes, which is saying something because I eat a lot of pasta and I really love it. The basil makes it taste so good, and I love that it can still have such a really nice basil flavor without using fresh basil, because I find it really hard to buy fresh herbs and use them in time before they go bad. So I love that this one just uses dry basil, so it's super easy. I was thinking too, it would be so good to fry up some like vegan chicken strips or something and pop those on top of this. Also, if you wanted to add in a little bit more protein, you could add some chickpeas, would be really good too. But I just love that you can sneak so many veggie servings into this, and also so many green veggie servings. I feel like if you called this something like Hulk pasta or like Tinkerbell pasta, then kids would really love it because it tastes really good. I just think a lot of times people are afraid to eat green things because they think it's not going to taste very good. But I promise this tastes delicious, super good for you. Perfect for January when you have those health goals you're trying to reach, but it's cold out, so you don't want just like a cold salad. I would say this is a pretty good compromise. You get all your nice vitamins and nutrients and all your green veggies in, but you still get a nice, warm, comforting bowl of pasta. So I'm gonna go finish eating this, and yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make this recipe, be sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I am at itslivb. A lot of you guys actually post the photo on your stories and then tag me, and I love when you do that because then I can pick a few and repost them on my story. So don't forget to tag me if you are posting about this, but I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you again for watching. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.